On August 28, 2022, a 1952 Mickey Mantle baseball card sold for 12.6 million US dollars at auction, becoming the world's most expensive piece of sporting memorabilia at the time. Baseball products are amongst the world's most high-value sports memorabilia. In 2010, James Naismith's original 1891 Rules of Basketball sold for 4.3 million US dollars, setting a record for sports-related documents. In 2019, Babe Ruth's 1928 to 1930 New York Yankees jersey sold for 5.64 million US dollars, making it the most expensive piece of baseball memorabilia at the time. In 2021, a T206 Honus Wagner baseball card sold for 6.6 million US dollars, breaking all previous records for trading cards. In 2022, Diego Maradona's Hand of God jersey from the 1986 World Cup sold for 9.3 million US dollars, becoming the most expensive football shirt in history. Also in 2022, Michael Jordan's 1998 NBA Finals Last Dance jersey sold for 10.1 million US dollars, setting the record for the most expensive basketball jersey ever sold. In 2024, Babe Ruth's 1932 called shot New York Yankees jersey sold for 24.12 million US dollars, becoming the most expensive sports memorabilia item of all time. In 2025, a Michael Jordan Kobe Bryant dual signed trading card sold for 12.932 million US dollars, making it the most valuable sports card ever sold. Also in 2025, Shubman Gill's match worn signed Lord's Test jersey sold for 6,500 US dollars at the charity auction, marking the highest verified sale of Indian sports memorabilia to date. Other most expensive items including the original Olympic manifesto valued at 8.8 million US dollars, t-shirts worn by Argentina football captain Lionel Messi during 2022 World Cup could fetch upwards of 10 million US dollars. Barry Bonds' 756th home run ball and Mark McGwire's 70th home run ball were both valued at 3 million US dollars each.